Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do all the hard work so you can make the smartest purchases. Today, we're taking to the skies with a battle of the drones. On the left, we have the high-flying DJI Mini 2 SE. And on the right, we have the budget-friendly ATTOP Drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's get started with our first category, price. All right, let's address the elephant in the room. The DJI Mini 2 SE costs $279, while the ATTOP Drone is just $99. That's right, folks, the ATTOP Drone is cheaper than a fancy dinner date. But does cheaper mean better? Let's find out. Reviewers appreciate the DJI Mini 2 SE for its high value, advanced features, and build quality, whereas the ATTOP Drone is praised for its affordability and fun factor despite some issues with durability and usability. Next up, camera quality. The DJI Mini 2 SE boasts a 12 megapixels camera with 4K video capabilities. Meanwhile, the ATTOP Drone offers a 2K camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. So if you want to capture every single pore on your face from 10,000 feet up, the DJI Mini 2 SE is your go-to. But if you're just looking to get some cool aerial shots without breaking the bank, ATTOP's got you covered. Reviewers rave about the DJI Mini 2 SE's impressive camera quality, making it ideal for aerial photography enthusiasts. On the other hand, the ATTOP Drone's camera is satisfactory for casual use, but not for professional-grade footage. Moving on to flight time. The DJI Mini 2 SE offers a whopping 31 minutes of flight time. That's enough to watch an episode of your favorite show while your drone's up in the air. The ATTOP Drone, on the other hand, gives you 20 minutes. Not bad, but you might want to keep an eye on the clock. I mean, 20 minutes is still plenty of time to impress your friends or scare your neighbors. Reviewers love the DJI Mini 2 SE's long battery life, while the ATTOP Drone's shorter flight time is often mentioned as a drawback. Now let's talk ease of use. The DJI Mini 2 SE is beginner-friendly with simplified operations and a return-to-home function. Perfect for those of us who have a habit of losing things, like our car keys or our drones. The ATTOP Drone, though, takes it up a notch with voice control, gesture recognition, and even a 360 degrees flip. It's like the drone equivalent of a Swiss Army knife. Reviewers find the DJI Mini 2 SE intuitive and stable, making it a great choice for beginners. The ATTOP Drone, while fun and feature-packed, can be tricky to control for some users. Last but not least, special features. The DJI Mini 2 SE has an advanced transmission range of up to 10 kilometers and can withstand winds up to 38 kilometers per hour. So if you're planning to fly in a hurricane, DJI's got your back. The ATTOP Drone, however, comes with a carrying case and is compatible with VR glasses. Imagine flying your drone and feeling like you're in a video game. Talk about immersive. Reviewers are impressed with the DJI Mini 2 SE's robust features and performance, while the ATTOP Drone is noted for its fun and immersive capabilities, despite some limitations. Overall, the DJI Mini 2 SE is celebrated for its impressive quality, ease of use, and robust features, making it a top choice for both beginners and enthusiasts. The ATTOP Drone, while budget-friendly and fun, has mixed reviews due to its durability and usability issues, but it remains a good option for casual users and children. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for top-notch quality and are willing to splurge, the DJI Mini 2 SE is your best bet. But if you're on a budget and still want to have a ton of fun, the ATTOP Drone is a fantastic choice. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but how smart you buy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying!